Iguanodon. The iguanodon, a notable herbivorous dinosaur from the early Cretaceous period, approximately 126 to 113 million years ago, measured about 30 feet long and inhabited woodlands, plains, and riverbanks. Discovered in England in 1825, it was one of the first dinosaurs to be scientifically classified and is known for its resemblance to the modern iguana, particularly its teeth. Iguanodon had a unique ability to move both as a quadruped and a biped, thanks to its broad feet that supported its weight of up to 4 tons. This adaptability was crucial for navigating swampy environments while avoiding predators like baryonyx. The dinosaur's diet consisted mainly of vegetation, and its specialized teeth allowed it to efficiently chew without developing cavities. Fossil evidence indicates that Iguanodon traveled in herds, as seen in numerous track excavations from mudstone deposits. It possessed sharp thumb spikes for defense and flexible pinkies for grasping food. While primarily walking on 4 legs, it could also stand on 2 when necessary. Additionally, Iguanodon used its tail for protection against threats. With fossils found on every continent except Antarctica, the Iguanodon remains one of the most common and well-studied dinosaurs, with its name meaning iguana tooth in Greek. Troodon. The Troodon was a small bipedal theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 77 to 66 million years ago. Measuring about 2.4 meters long and 1.5 meters tall, it inhabited the forests of North America, known for its relatively large brain, which suggests a higher level of intelligence compared to other dinosaurs. Troodon had keen eyesight, sharp claws, and was likely an agile predator of small prey, including mammals, lizards, and insects. This dinosaur is often referred to as the dinosaur of the year due to its notable brain size, which was proportionally larger than that of many other dinosaurs and comparable to that of an average chimpanzee. Troodon had large eyes that indicate it may have been nocturnal or active during dawn and dusk. Its grasping hand with an opposable thumb would have facilitated manipulation of objects. Fossil evidence indicates that Troodon was a fast runner and may have possessed feathers similar to many theropods. A female could lay up to 30 eggs daily, with males participating in brooding. The name Troodon, derived from Greek meaning wounding tooth, reflects its serrated teeth. As one of the last non-avian dinosaurs before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, it is speculated that had it survived, Troodon might have evolved to possess human-level intelligence. Additionally, it likely had a keen sense of hearing, showcasing a blend of traits found in both birds and crocodilians. Hypsilophodon. Hypsilophodon was a small, agile herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period, approximately 125 million years ago. Measuring about 1.8 meters in length, this dog-sized dinosaur was well adapted to woodland habitats, utilizing its speed and strong hind legs to escape predators. With a long tail for balance and a small head featuring large eyes, Hypsilophodon had a bird-like beak and sharp teeth that allowed it to graze on leaves, ferns, and shrubs. Social by nature, these dinosaurs often lived in herds and were known for their docile behavior. Their unique features included self-sharpening teeth that replaced themselves as they wore down and food-holding cheeks. Fossils of Hypsilophodon have been discovered in England as well as in North America and Europe, highlighting its success as a species. The name Hypsilophodon translates to Hypsilophus's tooth, reflecting its distinctive dental adaptations. Allosaurus. The Allosaurus, a large theropod dinosaur from the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 140 million years ago, measured between 28 to 40 feet in length and thrived in temperate forests. As a dominant carnivore, it was known for its powerful build, sharp serrated teeth, and strong legs, which made it an effective predator of large herbivores like Stegosaurus and Camptosaurus. With distinctive crests above its eyes and a massive skull, Allosaurus likely possessed excellent eyesight for spotting prey from afar. Fossils of Allosaurus have been discovered across North America, Europe, and Africa, particularly within the Morrison Formation. Although it was smaller than the later Tyrannosaurus rex, Allosaurus was the largest carnivorous dinosaur of its time and may have hunted in groups. Its lightweight build contributed to agility and speed, enhancing its hunting prowess. Notably, one famous specimen known as Big Owl showed signs of a challenging life with numerous injuries. The name Allosaurus means different lizard, reflecting its unique vertebrate structure. This fearsome predator played a crucial role in its ecosystem for millions of years before being succeeded by its descendants, the Carcharodontosauridae. Interestingly, Allosaurus is recognized as the official state fossil of Utah. Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus was a large herbivorous dinosaur that roamed the forests of North America during the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 150 million years ago. It could grow up to 30 feet long and 14 feet tall, characterized by its distinctive double row of kite-shaped plates along its back and four sharp spikes on its tail, known as a thagomizer, which were used for defense. Despite its massive size, the Stegosaurus had a remarkably small brain, about the size of a walnut, leading to the misconception in the 19th century that it possessed a second brain in its hip. The plates on its back, which could reach up to 2 feet across, may have served multiple purposes: display for attracting mates, intimidation of rivals, or even thermoregulation by absorbing heat from the sun. Stegosaurus primarily walked on 4 legs but could rear up on its hind legs when necessary. Its mouth was small, equipped with peg-like teeth suited for a herbivorous diet. Interestingly, the plates were not fused to its skeleton and have been found separate from fossil remains. As one of the last large dinosaurs before the KT extinction event, the Stegosaurus remains one of the most recognizable dinosaurs due to its unique appearance, with its name meaning roofed lizard in reference to its bony plates. Diplodocus. The Diplodocus, a prominent dinosaur from the late Jurassic period, approximately 154 to 152 million years ago, is an impressive sight, measuring up to 75 feet in length. This herbivorous giant thrived in temperate forests, where its long neck enabled it to forage for high foliage. Despite its massive size, weighing between 10 to 20 tons, the Diplodocus is considered relatively trim compared to other large sauropods. Its long tail, which contains 80 vertebrae, serve as a counterbalance for its neck, and could also be used defensively. Named by paleontologist Othniel Charles Marsh in 1878, the Diplodocus remains a popular exhibit in over 100 museums worldwide, reflecting its status as one of the most common dinosaurs of its time. Notably, it has a hatching duration of 6 weeks and is well adapted to its plant-based diet. Coelophysis. Coelophysis was a small, agile bipedal carnivore that lived during the late Triassic period, approximately 228 to 201 million years ago. Measuring about 1.8 meters in length, it inhabited semi-arid plains, badlands, and open woodlands. Known for its lightweight build and sharp teeth, Coelophysis was an efficient predator that likely hunted insects, small lizards, and other small dinosaurs. Its name, meaning hollow form, refers to its distinctive hollow leg bones, which are similar to those found in modern birds. This skeletal structure contributed to its agility and speed. Fossil evidence indicates that Coelophysis was one of the earliest known dinosaurs, with numerous specimens discovered in North America, suggesting they may have lived in herds. Interestingly, some fossils indicate that Coelophysis may have engaged in cannibalism, particularly targeting younger individuals. With a long neck and slender tail for balance, while running, Coelophysis exemplifies the characteristics of a small but fierce hunter that likely operated in packs, emphasizing its role as one of the oldest dinosaurs to roam the earth. Triceratops. The Triceratops was a large, quadrupedal herbivorous dinosaur that roamed North America during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Growing up to 30 feet long and 10 feet tall, this impressive creature is best known for its massive skull, which featured a prominent bony frill and 3 distinctive horns, earning the name three-horned face in Greek. With a head length exceeding 7 feet and a frill that could reach 6 feet, the Triceratops was not only formidable, but also likely used its features for defense, display, and even temperature regulation. It could run at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making it relatively swift for its size. Living in herds provided protection against predators, including its contemporary, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Fossil evidence indicates that Triceratops engaged in headbutting contests and used its powerful jaws and beak to consume tough vegetation. Weighing between 6 to 12 tons, the Triceratops was one of the last dinosaurs to exist before the mass extinction event that wiped out most dinosaur species. Its impressive horns and thick neck frill made it a formidable opponent against carnivorous threats, while also serving potential roles in mating displays. Brachiosaurus. The Brachiosaurus was a colossal sauropod dinosaur that roamed the Earth during the late Jurassic period, approximately 150 to 140 million years ago. Measuring up to 80 feet in length and standing 30 to 40 feet tall, this massive herbivore weighed between 50 to 80 tons. Its distinctive giraffe-like posture, characterized by longer front legs and hind legs, allowed it to reach high vegetation that other dinosaurs could not access. Brachiosaurus primarily fed on leaves, buds, and branches from tall trees, consuming around 200 pounds of food daily. It had blunt, peg-like teeth well-suited for stripping foliage rather than chewing. Despite its enormous size, Brachiosaurus likely had few natural predators and lived in herds for protection and social interaction. With a neck measuring about 30 feet long and a relatively small brain for its body size, it is believed that Brachiosaurus had a highly efficient circulatory system to supply oxygen to its brain. Its large nasal openings suggested it might have been a capable swimmer. Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex, known as the tyrant lizard king, was a dominant predator that lived in North America during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. This massive dinosaur could grow up to 40 feet long and stand 12 feet tall at the hips, weighing around 9 tons. With a powerful bite force estimated at 12,800 pounds per square inch, it was capable of crushing bones and could consume up to 500 pounds of meat in a single bite. Fossils of T. rex have been discovered in the Hell Creek Formation alongside other dinosaurs like Triceratops and Edmontosaurus. Despite its impressive size and fearsome reputation, the T. rex had a relatively small brain compared to modern birds. It possessed strong, short forelimbs with 2 fingers and excellent binocular vision, which helped it spot prey from a distance. Some scientists suggest that T. rex could run at speeds of 20 to 40 miles per hour, making it a formidable hunter. Interestingly, T. rex had 70 teeth, much more than the average human's 32, and its large, sharp teeth were about 8 inches long. However, its diet likely contributed to bad breath due to bacteria-laden meat stuck in its teeth. Overall, the Tyrannosaurus rex remains one of the largest and most fearsome carnivorous dinosaurs known to have existed. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was a heavily armored herbivorous dinosaur that roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Renowned for its distinctive bony plates, known as osteoderms, embedded in its skin, Ankylosaurus resembled a living tank. Its most notable feature was a large, bony club at the end of its tail, which it could swing to defend against predators. This dinosaur walked upright with its tail off the ground, contrary to common depictions of it dragging its tail. Ankylosaurus had thick skin that provided excellent protection from attacks, making it resilient against large predators like Tyrannosaurus rex. It likely fed on low-growing vegetation such as ferns and shrubs using its beak-like mouth. Despite its formidable armor and defensive capabilities, Ankylosaurus was relatively slow-moving, with a walking speed of about 3 miles per hour and one of the smallest brain-to-body ratios among dinosaurs, indicating limited intelligence. Paleontologists believe Ankylosaurus led a solitary life, coming together primarily to mate. Its broad feet supported its heavy body, and the club-like tail could deliver powerful blows to potential threats. Kentrosaurus. The Kentrosaurus was a herbivorous dinosaur that roamed Africa during the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 150 million years ago. This stegosaur, measuring around 16 feet in length and weighing over 1 ton, is notable for its distinctive armor, which includes bony plates, spikes, and scuts. Its name translates to sharp point lizard, reflecting its long shoulder spines and the thagomizers on its tail, likely used for defense against predators. Kentrosaurus had a double row of small plates along its neck and back, similar to its relative, the Stegosaurus. It thrived in lush environments that supported its diet of low-growing vegetation, and likely lived in herds for protection and foraging. Renowned for its unique appearance, the Kentrosaurus remains one of the most recognizable dinosaurs in the world. Its hatching duration was approximately 10 days. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus was a herbivorous dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period, approximately 76.5 to 73 million years ago, measuring up to 10 meters long and weighing as much as 2.5 tons. This duck-billed dinosaur, recognized for its distinctive 1.6-foot long head crest, inhabited coastal regions, riverbanks, and floodplains. The crest, featuring a hollow nasal passage, likely served multiple purposes, including communication through deep, trumpet-like sounds. Parasaurolophus is believed to have traveled in large herds and had keen senses of sight and smell. The name Parasaurolophus translates to near-crested lizard in Greek, reflecting its unique appearance. Its crest may have also played a role in thermoregulation and display. Fossil discoveries have sparked various theories about the crest's function, with suggestions ranging from a weapon to a snorkel. Protoceratops. Protoceratops was a medium-sized herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 75 million years ago. This dinosaur, often no larger than a sheep, is notable for its distinctive bony frill and powerful beak, which was well adapted for tearing tough vegetation. The name Protoceratops translates to first of the horned faces, although it did not possess the prominent horns characteristic of later ceratopsians like Triceratops. Fossils of Protoceratops have been discovered in large numbers, often found in groups, indicating they may have lived in social structures. They are known for their aggressive behavior when defending their young. The frill likely served dual purposes: protection from larger predators and as a display feature to attract mates or intimidate rivals. Protoceratops was first identified in Mongolia during the 1920s and is a significant example of early ceratopsian evolution. The hatching period for Protoceratops eggs lasted about 10 days, further highlighting their reproductive traits. Velociraptor. The velociraptor, a small and agile dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period around 75 million years ago, measured approximately 6.8 feet long and weighed about 33 pounds. It inhabited the deserts and grasslands of present-day Mongolia. Known for its intelligence and hunting skills, the velociraptor was a carnivore that preyed on smaller dinosaurs, mammals, and reptiles, often hunting in packs to take down larger prey. Despite its relatively small size, comparable to that of a modern turkey, the velociraptor was a formidable predator characterized by its lightweight body, long back legs for speed, and a stiff tail for balance. Its notable features included sharp, blade-like teeth and a large curved claw on each hind foot used for slashing at prey. Recent research suggests that velociraptors were feathered like birds and shared nesting behaviors with them, highlighting their evolutionary connection. The name velociraptor translates to swift Caesar in Greek, reflecting its reputation as a fast and cunning hunter. Pachycephalosaurus. The Pachycephalosaurus was a bipedal dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 70 to 66 million years ago, in the forests and open woodlands of western North America, measuring around 13 to 15 feet long and weighing between 50 to 100 pounds. It is best known for its distinctive thick, bony dome on its skull, which could reach up to 10 inches in thickness. This dome, along with small horns on the back and above the nose, likely served multiple purposes, including social display and combat among males. Pachycephalosaurus was herbivorous, feeding on leaves, fruits, and seeds. It is believed to have been relatively fast-running, possibly to evade predators. The unique structure of its skull suggests that it engaged in head-butting behavior, similar to some modern animals. The dome was not solid but contained spongy bone with blood vessels, potentially aiding in healing after impacts. Though no complete skeletons have been found, the skull remains provide significant insight into this fascinating dinosaur's lifestyle and behavior. The name Pachycephalosaurus translates to thick-headed lizard, reflecting its most notable feature. Deinonychus. The Deinonychus, a medium-sized theropod dinosaur from the early Cretaceous period, approximately 115 to 100 million years ago, measured approximately 10 to 12 feet in length and inhabited open woodlands and plains. Known for its fierce nature and pack-hunting abilities, it is regarded by scientists as one of the most formidable dinosaurs. The name Deinonychus translates to terrible claw, referring to its large, sickle-shaped talons that served as its primary weapon. This agile predator exhibited keen eyesight and had a large brain, enabling it to execute complex maneuvers while hunting. Its wrists were flexible, similar to modern birds, allowing it to grasp prey effectively. Fossils of Deinonychus have been discovered in North America, suggesting it likely had feathers akin to other dromaeosaurs. The species is noted for its swift and strategic hunting in groups, reminiscent of wolf packs. Additionally, the tail of the Deinonychus was supported by a bundle of bony rods that helped maintain balance during its rapid pursuits. Hatching from eggs took about 15 days, further contributing to its life cycle as a carnivorous predator. Saltosaurus. Saltosaurus was a medium-sized, docile herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the Cretaceous period, approximately 71 to 66 million years ago. Reaching lengths of around 20 feet, this dinosaur was primarily found in the jungles of Argentina. Its name translates to lizard of Salta, reflecting its origins. Saltosaurus is notable for its distinctive bony armor, known as osteoderms, which provided effective protection against predators. This placid creature primarily fed on plants, with ferns being its favorite food. It had a relatively short hatching duration of just 4 days and could breed every 20 days. Overall, Saltosaurus is recognized for its peaceful nature and good defense mechanisms, making it a unique herbivore of its time. Peleconimimus. The Peleconimimus, an ostrich-like dinosaur from the Cretaceous period around 130 million years ago, is notable for its long neck and throat pouch reminiscent of a pelican, measuring approximately 13 feet in length and weighing between 50 to 100 pounds. This medium-sized dinosaur boasts over 200 teeth, a feature that has intrigued scientists. Discovered in 1993 in Spain's Cuenca province, the Peleconimimus has become a popular attraction due to its unique appearance and behavior. However, managing this dinosaur can be challenging. It requires a strong enclosure to prevent escapes and needs to be well fed to avoid aggression. Unlike its toothless bird relatives, the Peleconimimus' toothy grin adds to its distinctive charm, and research indicates that it may have utilized its pouch for food storage. Giganotosaurus. The Giganotosaurus, one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs, roamed what is now Argentina during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 98 to 97 million years ago. Measuring up to 40 feet in length and weighing around 8 tons, it was larger and possibly faster than the well-known Tyrannosaurus rex. Despite having a bite force that is 3 times less powerful than T-Rex, Giganotosaurus was still a formidable predator, equipped with long, narrow skulls and dagger-like serrated teeth designed to inflict severe wounds on its prey. Fossil evidence suggests that Giganotosaurus may have hunted in packs, targeting large prey in its forested and plain habitats. The name Giganotosaurus translates to giant southern lizard, reflecting its massive size and predatory nature. Its discovery has significantly altered the understanding of apex predators in the Cretaceous, challenging the belief that T. rex was the largest carnivore of its time.